just watch the children grow. Go zipping down the motorway. They're everywhere you go. All of a sudden I'm out in the street and I'm wondering which way to go. Looking behind me, I see where I've been, and there's someone who thinks that he knows. They're laughing at the funny man out in Trafalgar Square. Go climbing up the mountainside, and just because it's there. Oh, people, what have you done? Oh, people, where will you run? Look in the mirror and see what you can. How much do you understand? They're writing lots of messages, all saying what to do. Keep trusting in your government, still waiting in the queue. All of us trying to build and discover a world that we once knew before. Too many takers with nothing to give, and they're still always asking